Hi, hello friends, welcome to Brighter API. I am Milind Mehta. In this tutorial, we will learn a grading students algorithm. Okay, so we have completed in the last tutorial that all the warm-up challenges. Now we are into the grading students. So in the algorithm implementation, we are on the next challenge, which is our grading students. Okay, so let's go. So grading student is saying that there is a Hackerland University. The university, there is some policy. Okay. So every student grade is between the 0 to 100. A grade is less than 40, which is officially a fail. Okay. Same is a professor of university and likes round each student's grade according to the three rules. According to these rules. Okay. If the difference between the grade and the next multiple of 5 is less than 3, then round of grade up the next multiple of 5, and if the value's grade is less than 38, then the no rounding occur will be in the failed stage. Okay, so let's understand something between the from the input. Okay, so from the explanation, so they are inputting as a 4 and the 73, 67, 38 and the 33. Okay, so 73 is the 73 is a difference of 2, so they will make of the 75. 67 to 70, which is the difference of a 3, so they are not changing with anything. Okay, the 38 is difference between the 40. Okay, less than 40, but they have mentioned one condition as well. Okay, so if the value is less than 38, there is a no rounding occur, and still it is a failing grade. But it is if there is a 38, then they will convert it to the 40, because there is a 2 difference. And if there is a 33, then they will not change anything with the 35, because that is already failed. So they will put same mark. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, so what they have taken here that how many marks they will enter that, and after that they are taking one loop which is A0. Okay, and integer grade. Okay, so let's start writing the code. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to take one array. Okay, for storing all this. Okay, integer array. Okay, of new integer. Okay, I'm actually changing with the I, because it's easy to understand and it's easy to write as well. Okay, okay. So here we are going to. Okay. So if the grade is less than 38, then what we need to do, we need not to change anything. So if and we will change it to store into the array, because we need to print everything at the last. Okay, so all these things we need to print, that's why I am storing into the array. Okay, we need not to change anything, that's why we are storing as it is. In else part, what we need to do, we are taking one variable f1. So if the grade plus 1, and we are taking another variable grade plus 2. Okay, so we will check both will be divided by 5 and what is the remainder. So if f1 percentage is equal to 5 and it's a 0, then what we need to do, then array of I is equal to f1. else what we need to do, if f2, because it's a 2 marks of difference, that's why we are writing as f2 percentage by 5 is equal to 0. Then what we need to do, we need to array of I is equal to f2. Else we need not to change anything. Then what we need to do, we need to save as it is. Okay, and then we need to print everything. Okay, so we will take one loop as well here. Integer I is equal to 0, I less than and I plus plus. So you need to print the array. Okay, then system dot out dot println. Okay, what we need to do, we need to print array of type. So let's run the code. Oh, so I forgot to do a semicolon here, so I'm doing it. For integer I, variable I is already defined in the main string. Okay, we need to put this loop outside the first loop. Okay, that's why it was giving the an error with the initialization there. Okay, so we have passed the first test case. Okay, so let's submit the code and check if the all test case has been passed or not. So congratulations friends, we have submitted and passed all the codes. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comments and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.